So the more money you keep making, the more money you keep investing, and your snowball just keeps growing. And by snowball, I mean money. What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I'm going to talk about how I plan to make over $1,000 profit from selling all these Nintendo Switches behind me. And also, don't forget that I'm doing a free giveaway, so click the link in the description below or click the link above right here if you want a chance to win some free V-Bucks or a Google Home. So I'm pretty much making this video just to show you guys that you can make money off anything. I've already showed you that I can make money selling iPhones. I've showed you that I can make money selling Samsungs. Also showed you how I made money selling some video games and even some crap. And right now, as we speak, I'm in the process of making some money flipping a car. But I'm enjoying the car a little too much, so I've been slacking on that. I haven't even posted it up for sale yet, but I will be doing that very soon. And today, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make some money flipping some Nintendo Switches. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna open this package right here just to show you that these boxes are not actually empty boxes. Right here is a Nintendo Switch. It's brand new, still in the package, everything. So how did I come across these Nintendo Switches? Well, I was doing the usual. I was on Kijiji, you know me, just lowballing a bunch of people, and then I came across this ad where this person was selling 2 Nintendo Switches. So I gave him an offer, and then I also decided to ask him whether he had more than just 2 Nintendo Switches, which he did. He ended up actually having 9 brand new Nintendo Switches. Don't ask me how he got it because I've never met this guy. I don't know who he is. He was just a random person that I met through Kijiji. So we did a bit of talking and he knew that I was a serious buyer. So he also told me that he had a laptop for sale. It was a MacBook Pro, the one that I have right here. He asked me if I also wanted to buy that. So let's keep in mind this is all in Canadian dollars. So he initially was trying to get $2,750 for all 9 Nintendo Switches plus the MacBook Pro, and I was trying to talk him down to $2,500. So eventually, after going back and forth for a little while, we finally agreed to a price of $2,600, which was a really good deal because I knew that I'd be making at least $1,000 minimum profit from this deal alone. So we agreed to finally meet. The transaction, everything went smooth. I actually only ended up bringing $2,585. I told him that I thought I had more cash. I tried to make him feel bad. I'm like, you're literally taking all my money. I'm not even gonna have money for groceries, this and that. So he kind of felt bad for me and he gave me the $15 discount. So I ended up buying the 9 Nintendo Switches, the 1 MacBook Pro for $2,585. I lied. What can I say? I lied. But I hope he doesn't watch this video. If you're watching this video, I'm sorry. You got finessed. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. So I ended up paying $2,585 for all 10 of these items, for 9 Nintendo Switches, for 1 MacBook Pro, and I plan on selling all 9 Nintendo Switches for $370 each. I actually already posted it up, and it seems like I already have 3 potential buyers that want to purchase them for $370 today. And as for the laptop, I know these laptops sell for around $500, so I posted it up for $480 for a quick and easy sale. It's a 2012 MacBook Pro 13-inch, and I posted it up for $480. I actually already have an offer of $450 for it. So if you multiply 370 times 9 and then you add 450 to that, I'm gonna have a total of $3,790. And if you subtract that from my initial investment of $2,585, my profit will be $1,195. And that's just from that one transaction alone, which isn't bad because that gives me an extra $1,000 that I didn't have that I could reinvest into more phones, into more Nintendos, or I could reinvest that into the stock market. It's just extra money that adds to my snowball effect. This is very easy to do. Perhaps you could start off small. Maybe you could start off by selling 1 iPhone 5C. I can actually get these for 30 bucks each and I sell them for 70. So let's say I double my money there, and then next thing you know, I spent my $70 and I got 2 iPhone 5Cs. So then I sell both of these right there, and then before you know it, I have 140 bucks, and then next thing you know, maybe I could get 5 of them for 140 bucks. So then I buy 5 of them, I sell them each for 70 bucks, and next thing you know, I have $350. And then from there, I can invest that into anything else. I could start buying iPhone 6S's, iPhone 6S Pluses. So the more things I have to sell, the more money I can make. It's like a snowball effect. The more money you have to invest, the more money you can make. So the more money you keep making, the more money you keep investing, and your snowball just keeps growing. And by snowball, I mean money. So just a quick little update. Right now I'm in the process of editing my video, and I actually only have 3 Nintendo Switches left right here. So I had 9, and these are my only 3 Nintendo Switches left. So the proof is in the pudding. This is all the cash that I made this weekend alone. So pretty much just 3 more Nintendo Switches, and then I'll be fully sold out of all the Nintendo Switches from this video. Well, anyways guys, that's all the time I have for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two, and if you did, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, then smash that subscribe button. And that's it for now, guys.